Get ready for explosion, we rollin'. Get ready for explosion, we rollin'.
I thought I was doing okay. God, how did I end up this way? Think I'm getting used to this pain, and I only got myself to blame. I thought I was doing okay. God, how did I end up this way? Think I'm getting used to this pain, and I only got myself to blame. To believe.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday. Harder, harder. I fell where my demons dwell.